vois rien. Woo! Montreal! YouTube money! IglooFest! January, samedi, 26, 2013. Having the best time of my life! Woo! I wish you were here, Tanya. I'm with Babylon and the adorable Annie. Angry Bird, baby! Woo!
Let me take you on a love tour. Tonight. Let us tear up the stair floor. Tonight. I wanna give it to you hardcore. Tonight. Let me fuck you with my heels on, yeah. Let me ride on your kingdom. I'll be waiting for you so long. Take me to the swing zone. Let's fuck to a slow song. I got a lot of things to show you, yeah. I'm gonna fuck you like a Oreoh. Let me put this pussy.
I'm gonna film this shit until my battery dies. I'm loving it to death. This is what I live for. You can't abuse it, just use it. Use what you got. Take what you need. Don't take more than what you need, baby, please. Me, you see. Oreoh freestyle on the phone style. I don't give a fuck style. Anything I say, recorded today at IglooFest samedi. Yeah, OP shit, craziness. Beats changing, things are rearranging, going craziness. Where my buddies is at? Oh shit, is that the end? Is that the unfortunate end? Montreal! 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 Woo!
This is motherfucking
Oreoh!
Yeah!
Signing
motherfucking
out!
family every day.